Well, today is April 14th. As you can see, it's we're in the grip of what looks like a major snowstorm. A few sledders out there. This is awesome because there's still a lot of snow in the woods, and fields are bare. But this is going to make up for it definitely. There's the wave coming in. She's full covered in snow. Is it pretty bad out or what? Is it bad? Yeah, you can't even see. Yeah, the winds are picking up. It's terrible right now. This is something else for where I come from. You're not used to this kind of snow, and it's gonna maybe make for a great snowmobiling weekend, maybe, or maybe not. It's supposed to continue all day, 10 to 15. I'm going to say more than that. I dare say we're going to get over 20. If this keeps up at this pace, this is almost like a snow squall type deal that you'd see in Ontario. So it's nice. So we'll see what the conditions are like later. I'm walking through the park here. As you can see, it's really coming down. Our resident deer are huddled down around here somewhere. I see one over there. Should get a lot of snow today. It's kind of a oh, there's some more deer. So it's kind of a wet snow. To be coming through here. Well, I'm going to sign off because my hands are getting cold. Over 10,000 promotional products and the best brand names of sportswear to choose from. Go Logo Wear gives you what you want, when you want it, with your logo on it. Call Go Logo Wear's friendly staff at 426-LOGO or visit GoLogoWear.com. Notice why we're going so slow, because we're in a Ford.
Oh, bullshit.
When you want it, with your logo on it.
Japanese piece of shit behind us.
You need to borrow money now, and the banks have said no. There is a better way. If you own real estate, Aaron Acceptance Corporation can lend you money. Even if your home is not paid for, just call for approval. 780-421-1600 or click onetimeloan.com.